Let's say we have a HTML page represented as a DOM tree that contains two kinds of elements, the dev element and the image element. And given this tree, let's say we want to find out the first image element in the DOM tree. So, looking at the top level document object, how do we find the first image element? The document model has a method called as query selector, which takes in one or more selectors as a group. The selectors must be a valid CSS string. For example, an image tag wrapped in a string is a valid CSS selector, or a warning class wrapped in a string is also a valid CSS selector. The CSS selectors could be created from different types such as class selector, ID selector, node type selector, and many more. For now, we will keep our focus on finding the first image element using query selector method on the document object. The query selector method performs matching using depth first pre-order traversal of the document node. It starts from the first element in the document and iterates through the sequence of nodes. When it finds the first matching element, it stops the search and returns the element. If no matches are found, the method returns null. Let's see that in action now. Currently, I've opened up the Google Chrome browser and opened up the unsplash.com web page, and I've also opened the Chrome DevTools next to it. First, I will type document, and as I type, I can see the entire page is selected. Next, we will use the query selector method on DOM. We provide the image tag wrapped in a string, making it a valid CSS selector. As we see, the first image on Unsplash is selected. We could also fetch attributes from this result such as src to find out the image and compare that with what we see on Unsplash page. And we can confirm that both the images are indeed same. And that's it. If you work with JavaScript or any other framework such as jQuery, Angular, or React, you have executed JavaScript on the browser. So the new course that we have launched is relevant for you. It's called Browser JavaScript and Event Loop. This course educates on how JavaScript is executed behind the scenes and will cover various topics such as execution context and event loop. You will have the opportunity to visually see every step of JavaScript code execution. Check out the course link in the description below to learn more about the course, and let us know if you have any questions. Keep learning and see you next time.